In this video, you will learn how to use the optional memory control feature using the Evo 82 as an example. With memory control, you can save complete machine settings and recall them later. To do this, start on the user page on the control terminal. From there, switch to the info page. On this page, you will find the memory control function in the top left corner. You can recognize it by a folder icon. Additionally, the currently selected profile is displayed there. To create a new setup, first open the memory control function. Up to 8 different profiles can be created here. On the right side, there is a folder icon with a plus sign. Use this button to create a new setup. Then tap on the folder icon of the new setup. The on-screen keyboard will then automatically open, allowing you to assign your own custom name. Once you have finished entering the name, please confirm it by tapping the green check mark. After that, confirm the entire configuration again by selecting the folder icon with the green check mark located on the right side. This final step effectively saves all of your currently enabled settings into the new setup. Once the settings are saved, you can view the setup at any time. To do this, select the desired setup and then click on the Info button. You can view the individual saved parameters via the tabs. However, the values cannot be edited there. Changes are therefore made exclusively on the respective machine pages. To create another setup, you should first set the machine to your desired values. Then, once that is complete, switch back to the Info page and open up the memory control function again to finalize the process. Simply use the plus symbol to create another setup, assign it a unique name, and then confirm the save. This action will effectively save all of your currently set values as a brand new setup. If you ever want to access a previously saved setup later on, just select the desired setup from your list and confirm it with the green check mark. Finally, for the machine to apply these saved values, you must first make sure to activate the field start function. Only then will the machine be authorized to move to the corresponding functions. After that, the machine will apply the saved settings. Additionally, it is important to note that not all machine parameters are applied simultaneously. Therefore, you should give the machine sufficient time after loading a new setup to ensure it has fully adjusted to all required parameters. If you find you need to adjust an existing setup, please first call up the desired setup so you can begin. After that, you change the desired parameters directly on the machine pages. Then you switch back to the memory control function. Once the relevant setup is selected, a reload button appears at the bottom right. Using this function, the current settings are saved again in the selected setup. Additionally, you can determine which functions should be saved by memory control at all. To do this, you must first press the emergency stop button on the BOS. Afterwards, you open the settings via the gear icon and switch to software programming. There you will find the memory control section. In this menu, all available function groups are displayed. By tapping on the respective function, you can activate or deactivate it. Functions that are clearly highlighted with a red border are actively taken into account by the memory control system. Conversely, functions without a red border are not saved, meaning they will not be changed when you load a setup. After making your selection, confirm the settings with the green check mark. Then, please exit the menu, release the emergency stop switch, and finally re-enable the machine by pressing the green button located on the BOS. The machine only modifies the specific functions that have actually been stored within the respective setup. If you wish to delete a setup, simply open the memory control function located on the info page and carefully select the relevant setup you want to remove. Afterwards, click on the button at the bottom left to delete the setup and then confirm the entire process by tapping the green check mark. Now you can react quickly and flexibly to your changing harvest conditions using memory control. Good luck with your season.